I'm Tony Tiano. I'm the Facilities Maintenance Supervisor here at the Molalla River School District. I've been here for 10 years. I help maintain and operate the entire building when it comes to heating and air conditioning, plumbing, electrical, anything that has to do with maintaining this building. I think the biggest struggles we have right now is the boiler system that actually heats the building. If actually you look at the bottom of the boilers, you can see the old box underneath where they actually used to shovel coal into these boilers. That tells you the age. These boilers get introduced by water, which gets heat now by natural gas. It is then traveled through steam lines that are above the attic in the entire school. It heats the 8th grade wing, the library, cafeteria, this whole east side. There's no air conditioning in those parts of the building. Around the building actually acts as like a greenhouse, which really heats up the building and makes things much more struggleable.